Hi everybody, my name is Kelly, and in this lesson we're going to learn to play chord progressions to real popular songs. There's going to be a lot of information jammed into this lesson, so grab your ukulele, because it's time to make some music. Welcome to the fifth part of this ukulele series for children. If you missed the first parts, click this link and do those now. Also, if you're new to this channel, please subscribe by clicking the link and bell below so that you don't miss out on any of the upcoming videos in this ukulele series. For this lesson, you'll need a ukulele and an optional guitar pick. I recommend tuning your ukulele before, that's explained in the first video. In this lesson, we're going to learn chord progressions to some well-known popular songs. The chords we're going to play are C major, A minor, F major, and G major. I'm not going to go into detail about how to actually play those chords because that was outlined in the previous videos in this series. So let's get to it. The first song we're going to learn is called Can't Stop the Feeling. It was made famous by the movie Trolls. To play Can't Stop the Feeling, we're going to use three chords: C major, A minor, and F major. Here's what it sounds like: C major, we're only going to focus on the first part of this song. You're going to play the chords in this order: C major, A minor, F major, and then A minor again. We're going to play whole notes. A whole note is when you play a chord and you hold it for 4 counts like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right, each chord gets 4 beats. Let's try it again. C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat that sequence. C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, 4, F major, 1, 2, 3, 4, A minor, 1, 2, 3, good. Here's that sequence again, a little faster. C major, 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, nice. If you want to keep practicing, pause the video and do that now. You can return when you're ready. Let's learn another song. The next song we're going to learn to play is called West Coast by Imagine Dragons. This song has the same chords as the song Can't Stop the Feeling, but they're in a different order. We're going to be playing quarter note rhythms in this song. When we strum a quarter note, it looks like this.
Wow.
So to play West Coast, what we first do is play A minor, and we're going to strum 3 times like this. 1, 2, 3. Next, we're going to switch to F like this and strum 1 time. And then we're going to switch to C major and strum 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's repeat that sequence again. A minor, 3 strums. 1, 2, 3, F major, 1 strum, and then C major, 4 more strums. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again. A minor, 1, 2, 3, F major, 1, C major, 1, 2, 3, 4. A little bit faster now. A minor, 1, 2, 3, F major, 1, C major, 1, 2, 3, 4, and repeat. A minor, 1, 2, 3, F major, 1, C major, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that together now. 1, 2, 3, go. Repeat. Repeat. Repeat one more time. Fabulous job! Each time you played that chord progression, you got a little bit better, so pat yourself on the back.
Yes!
That song can get a little tricky, especially on that F chord in which you only strum one time. Okay, the next song we're gonna learn is called Lava, and it sounds like this. This is kind of a long chord progression. Let's check it out. First, we're going to start with C major, and we're going to play it for 2 full measures like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next, we switch to G major, and we also play that for 2 full measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next comes F major, 2 full measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next we play C major, 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then back to G major, 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's play that chord progression again. C major, 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major, 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. F major, 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. C major, 1 measure. 1, 2, 3, 4. G major, 2 measures. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good. This chord progression can be a bit tricky as well because of the G major. It's pretty difficult to switch to G major really quickly, and if you're struggling with that, you're not alone. This chord can take weeks to months to learn to get to quickly. What you need to do is to develop muscle memory. Muscle memory, you say?
What?
Yes. Muscle memory is when we do something over and over again, and our muscles memorize this pattern. So right now I can play chords pretty quickly without thinking about it very much. And that's because I've developed muscle memory from playing them over and over again. You can do that too just by playing through the chords over and over again with repetition. It's kind of like riding a bike. You only need to learn to do it once. All right, here's that progression one more time. C. G major. F major. C major. G major. Amazing! Now we get to do one more song. It's called Ho Hey, and it sounds like this. Ho Hey only has 2 chords in the first part, C major and F major. Let's learn the strumming pattern for this song. First we play C major and we're gonna do this. Down, 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 up, down. And then we switch to an F chord and we do 1 strum. Let's check that out again. C major, down, 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 up, down, and then play F one time. Okay, let's look at the C major rhythm one more time. So we go down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down. Down, 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 up, down. All right, let's play those chords again. C major, down, 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 up, down. F major, C major, down, 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 up, down. F major, C major, down, 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 up, down. F major, C major, down, 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 up, down. F major. Here's that pattern slowly without instruction. And here's that pattern a little faster. All right, I have one tip for you. Keep practicing and playing every day because each time you do, you improve a little bit. And then once in a while, you'll have a great big breakthrough, and then everything will seem a little bit easier for you.
Cool.
Let's review what we learned in our lesson today. Today, we learned some chord progressions to some popular songs. We learned how to play Can't Stop the Feeling, West Coast by Imagine Dragons, Lava, and we also learned to play Ho Hey by the Lumineers. There are so many great songs that you can play on the ukulele. I hope that you enjoyed the ones that we learned here today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope that it was fun and helpful for you. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on the next awesome ukulele lessons in this series. I'll see you soon!